In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up QuickBooks for nonprofit. We'll walk through the essentials from choosing the right version to configuring reports so you can track funds, donations, and programs with confidence. First, pick the QuickBooks edition that fits your workflow. QuickBooks Online Plus or Advanced is great if you need cloud access, multiple users, and flexible fund tracking. If you prefer desktop software, the Desktop Premier Nonprofit Edition includes a nonprofit-ready chart of accounts and built-in reports. Whichever you choose, make sure it supports fund or class tracking and donor reporting. Now create your nonprofit company file, open QuickBooks, and choose the option to create a new company. Select nonprofit or charitable organization as your industry. Enter your organization name, address, and contact details, and your start date or fiscal year. Save the file. QuickBooks may automatically generate a non-profit-specific chart of accounts, which you can refine next. Customize your chart of accounts to match how you operate in QuickBooks Online. Go to Settings, then Chart of Accounts. Confirm you have the basics. Assets like cash and receivables, liabilities like payables and grants payable, net assets categorized as unrestricted, temporarily restricted, and permanently restricted, revenue for donations, grants, and program income, and expenses split into program services, management, and general, and fundraising. Add any accounts unique to your programs or funding. To track funds or programs, turn on classes. In QuickBooks Online, open Account and Settings, go to Advanced, then Categories, and enable Track Classes. Create classes for each program, department, or fund so every transaction can be categorized for reporting. Next, add the people you work with. Under Sales, open Customers or Donors and create new records with contact info and any donation preferences. Add vendors for operating expenses, program costs, and grant-related payments. This helps you track contributions, pledges, reimbursements, and payments cleanly. Set up products and services for the income you receive. Under Sales, open Products and Services and add items for donation types like cash or in-kind program revenue items and any other nonprofit services. Map each item to the correct income account to keep reports accurate. Enter opening balances for cash, assets, and liabilities, and make sure net assets align so your starting balance sheet is correct. Then connect your bank and investment accounts under Banking by linking each institution so transactions flow in for reconciliation. For fundraising and donation tracking, consistent